The Georgia Colony Quiz Practice Questions and Answers, 11 questions with explained answers. Question 1. Who was the leader of the Georgia Colony? Option A, James Oglethorpe. Option B, Alex Debtor. Option C, Meowie MacMeower. Option D, Panacho Algaraz. The correct answer is option A, James Oglethorpe. Explanation. James Oglethorpe was the leader of the Georgia Colony. He was a British philanthropist and soldier who founded the colony in 1733. Oglethorpe had a vision of creating a haven for debtors and the poor, and he established strict rules and regulations for the colony. He also successfully defended the colony against Spanish attacks and played a crucial role in its early development. Oglethorpe's leadership and dedication to his vision made him the leader of the Georgia Colony. Question 2. Which country said that Georgia was part of Florida, and the land should rightfully be theirs? Option A, Spain. Option B, England. Option C, France. Option D, Holland. The correct answer is option A, Spain. Explanation. During the colonial period, Spain claimed territories in the Americas, including parts of what is now the United States. Georgia was one of the colonies established by the English, but Spain disputed this claim and argued that it was part of Florida, which they considered their own territory. Therefore, Spain is the country that said Georgia was part of Florida and believed the land should rightfully be theirs. Question 3. Who comes across the Atlantic Ocean just to build an orphanage in 1738? Option A, Jelani E. Jenkins. Option B, me. Option C, George Whitefield. Option D, Bell Lelakek. The correct answer is option C, George Whitefield. Explanation. George Whitefield comes across the Atlantic Ocean just to build an orphanage in 1738. Question 4. When Georgia was under attack, what did the Carolinas agree to give them? Option A, men. Option B, supplies. Option C, water. Option D, food. The correct answer is option B, supplies. Explanation. During the attack on Georgia, the Carolinas agreed to provide supplies to them. This implies that the Carolinas agreed to offer essential resources such as food, water, and other necessary items to support Georgia during the attack. Question 5. Oglethorpe visits England and returns to Georgia in 1736. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Explanation. The statement is true because it states that Oglethorpe visits England and returns to Georgia in 1736. This implies that Oglethorpe did indeed make a trip to England and then came back to Georgia in the mentioned year. Question 6. Who did Oglethorpe find, and later marry, in Savannah, Georgia? Option A, Catherine Spokes. Option B, Mary Musgrove. Option C, Lily Langas. Option D, Arfie Arfster Arf. The correct answer is option B, Mary Musgrove. Explanation. Oglethorpe found and later married Mary Musgrove in Savannah, Georgia. Question 7. When did Oglethorpe return to England and stay there forever? Option A, 1700. Option B, 1743. Option C, 1734. Option D, 1800. The correct answer is option B, 1743. Explanation. Oglethorpe returned to England in 1743 and stayed there forever. Question 8. Who stopped the Indians' attack on the Georgia colony? Option A, give me food, I'm hungry. Option B, Sir Sager. Option C, John Ace Pagel Euro. Option D, Noble Jones. The correct answer is option D, Noble Jones. Explanation. Noble Jones stopped the Indians' attack on the Georgia colony. Question 9. In 1740, it was the Spaniards' turn to attack Georgia. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option B, false. Explanation. Correct answer, false. The statement says that in 1740, it was the Spaniards' turn to attack Georgia. However, this statement is incorrect. In 1740, it was actually the British who attacked Georgia. Therefore, the correct answer is false. Question 10. Mary Musgrove betrays Oglethorpe and sends Indians to attack the Georgia colony. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Explanation: Mary Musgrove's betrayal of Oglethorpe and her actions of sending Indians to attack the Georgia colony are the reasons why the answer is true. This suggests that Mary Musgrove, for some reason, turned against Oglethorpe and collaborated with the Indians to launch an attack on the Georgia colony. This act of betrayal would have had significant consequences for the Georgia colony and its settlers. Question 11. How many immigrants came to Georgia between 1732–1735? Option A, 1,400. Option B, 1,600. Option C, 2,000. Option D, 200. The correct answer is option A, 1,400. Explanation: Between 1732–1735, 1,400 immigrants came to Georgia.